Okay, we're back in Pix4D, going to look at a project. Let's start a new project here. So we're going to be using the local grid values, not the GNSS, not the latitude and longitude. We're going to be using the grid X, Y, and Z to georeference these images. So where am I going with this? Here, I'm going to call this grid because I'm going to use the X, Y, and Z to add my images. Okay, they're georeferenced. That's great. I'm going to be doing feet in an arbitrary coordinate system. Not an auto detect, not a known, arbitrary. I'm going to do 3D maps with this. Okay, now I need to go to my GCP manager, and I'm in arbitrary because I'm using the X, Y, and Z, not the GNSS. Import my GCP, my local grid. So this is the grid, the X, Y, and Z. Again, that was created in Capture. So we have arbitrary X, Y, and Z. That's what we're looking for. Go to my basic editor. Same process here. This is one. Okay, so I have all my GCPs marked out, my images. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and start my process. I'll be back with you when it's done. Okay, we are done. We have our report here. I'm not going to get too much into this. Okay, and you see we have our point cloud, and then there is our ground control points. So at this point, so now this point cloud and orthophoto should match up pretty much exactly to the data set I did with the GNSS points using the latitude and longitude. So we'll analyze these later.